Hi, my name is Paul Garcia, the host of PG Basketball, who used text-to-speech app to talk to players. How you started playing basketball?
7, 8 years old sa backyard namin. Kasama kang dad ko. Played in the pros before. Siya nagturo sa akin. Siya nagturo sa akin. Then kasama ko rin yung brother ko. Also plays for Sandera. Then, after nun, masama-sama na ako lagi sa kanya sa practice. Kasi he played with Santa Lucia and Tacorig before. Then, yun o, unti-unti ko na nagugustuhan at space. Parang gusto si game. Then, eventually, parang pinaintindi niya sa akin na hindi lang basta yung laro ng basketball. Nung una, ayaw niya pa ako palaroin kasi hindi daw ganun kadali. But eventually, yung mom ko, yun yung nag-pursue sa akin ng laro since. Kaya sa mom, gusto mo matupad yung things na anak ko yun. Kasi yun. And, when I was studying for San Beda, grade school, yun na rin ako nag-try out.
Why you choose up your first college school?
Sila yung una nagbigay ng interest sa akin when it comes to playing talaga. Actually, apat yun. UP, USD, USB, then Basal. Pero UP talaga nagbigay ng parang UA na. We want you to play for us. So, Coach Bo pa yun. So, talagang gusto niya na maglaro ko para sa akin.
Why you transferred in San Beda Red Lions?
Transferred to Beda kasi when I was with UP, feels ko hindi ko ma-maximize yung self ko as a player and as a person. Like, nothing against UP yung UP gave me a chance, but I just felt na yung growth ko as a player, di ko malabas. So, I need more chance to grow and, Coach really talk to me, to my parents, if you really wanna showcase what you really want to do, San Beda ka maglaro. And San Beda siguro kasi dad ko rin, yung player ng Red Lions before. San Beda yun like, it's a winning culture.
How's experience playing in the NCAA?
Line of difference yung UAP. Yung players nowadays, especially the outsiders, who don't watch basketball that much. UAP is like a skilled league. Hindi ko sinasabi na skilled yung skilled yung mga players na NCAA, pero UAP more interested. And then more on physicality talaga. Alam naman yan, hindi lang naman din ako yung sabi niya. When it comes to the NCAA, you have to be tough. And when I first played there last year, I really adjusted. Hindi lang ako, pero yung mga ibang kasama ko rin. Yun yung pinapagpapit sa akin ni Coach Del now. Yun. It's a really tough league.
Who is San Beda teammate you learn the most?
Lahat naman sila, pero nasabi ko siguro siya, yung Ken Andrada, my teammate in high school. Not with San Beda, but with the national team, Batangilas. Then, we're close na rin kasi, because of before. And sana ako nagtutulungan kasi when it comes to when I transferred to San Beda. And when he was playing, he was really, excelling sa system ni Coach Yunti. And nung pagsalang ko na team lagi niya ako sa advantage. Dapat just play within the system. Lagi kami nag-uusap yung kung ano yung mga pwede gawin sa akin, pwedeng gawin sa assistant coach usually. And at the same time, kung paano mag-adjust sa So, yun talaga.
Friendly question, can you beat Richie Kalumbag in one-on-one?
Yeah, like, I had so many friends about that. It's funny. We played once, nag-one-on-one kami. Wala lang, parang one-on-one lang din. Outside. Then, like, kaya ko siya taluin, but at the same time, kaya niya rin ako taluin. So, it's a tie. Siyempre, sa kuya, siyempre hindi ka papatalo. By Mary. Pero, so it's a friendly competition. So, to answer that question, yeah, kaya ko siya taluin. Turuan din Coach Yuri sa akin. Sobrang dami. Until now, pinupukpok na pa rin ako tungkol. Siguro tatlong things lang din yung masishare ko about sa mga tungkol Coach Yuri. Una yan, system na. Alam naman natin, kahit sa Ateneo, full stop system. And at the same time, Coach Yuri dami ng dami ng teams na coach. Yung experience na talaga it's on another level. So, for me, yun muna yung system niya. How to read the floor. And next is yung controlling everything. Especially my emotions. Ako kasi, he knew me as a really passionate and emotional guy. Lahat, like, pikon ako sa bagay, pikon ako matalo, pikon ako lahat. Pikon ako sila. Yung alam niya, pero sinasabi sa akin na I have to control everything, my emotions. Handling it better. And lastly, leadership. Lately, yung pinupupok na ako sa practice, he tests me. Lagi niya akong, hindi naman sa lagi ba, pinaparamdam niya sa mga teammates ko na dapat I should be. Siyempre, as one of the seniors, maintindihan ko yun kasi yung gusto niya i-develop ko before I graduate. So, yun. Yung mga ito lang yung pictures.
Why you choose jersey 13?
I chose number 13 because of my dad. Because when he played for the Red Lions before, he was jersey number 13. Funny sabi niya kasi. Like one of his teammates, like yung isa sa mga teammates na before sa Red Lions, naging coach ko recently, si Coach Jenkins. Maybe practice, like, lagi siyang may comment tungkol kay them. Which is in a positive way. So, 13 yung ginawa ko because of this. Kasi yung years na ng college. Matanggi ilaws, balance, experience ko dun, once in a lifetime opportunity. Isa sa mga hindi makakalimutan na experience. When it comes to my teammates, although most of us are still in college, talaga, cheers namin yun. Yung experience na makakalaban yung hindi sa NBA na lahat. The likes of Jalen Green, Jalen Suggs, Evan Mobley, sa iba, sobrang dami pa. Pero yung experience na yun, lagi namin madadala kasi pagtanda namin. I played one of those guys. So, sobrang indescribable feeling. Sobrang hindi malilig sa buhay. Wouldn't really so Kasi may nagawa na sila. Siguro, for me, yan. Yung top 3 ko ngayon, unang-unang idol ko sila. Devin Booker. Devin Booker versus, I always pattern the game with him. Ever since nagsisimula siya, yun na yung ginagawa niya eh. Sobrang nag-excel siya din. So, for me yun, Devin Booker. Next is SGA. Shade Gilgeous Alexander. Alam ko, ano siya ngayon? Parang MVP caliber. Ano siya? Sobrang lang galing. Bobby. Ang galaw, malinis. Siguro, isa pa. Ano? Underrated. Siguro si Jalen Bronson. Galing niya. Ever since nung nasa Dallas siya, alam ko na potential star siya. And when he left Dallas, when he went to the Knicks, pang-klase na. So for me, yun. Like, those are the top 3 guys in the NBA right now.